The first Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields where they lay, in fields where they lay, while keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 Noel. Born is the King of Israel. Then entered in those wise men three, forever and be upon the knee, and offered there in his presence their gold and myrrh and frankincense. No